Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Did you know your Windows 11 might be quietly reserving a portion of your storage in the background and most people don't even notice it. Now here's the catch. Many users try to remove this to free up space, but it can actually lead to update errors and system issues later. So in this video, I will clearly explain what this hidden storage is, why Windows uses it, and whether you should disable it or keep it enabled, step by step. So let's get started. Windows automatically reserves around 6 GB to 7 GB of your storage, no matter how big your drive is. This space is used for temporary files, system cache, Windows updates, and essential system process. Even if you have a 120 GB or 256 GB drive, Windows still keeps this reserved space. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many tweaking scripts, debloat tools, or optimization apps available online actually disable this feature to give you back that 6 to 10 GB of storage. And most users don't even realize it's happening. Now let me show you exactly where it is. So first, right click on the Windows chart. Then go to Settings. After that, go to System. Now click on Storage. Then click on Show More Categories. Now open System and Reserved. Here you will see something like System and Reserved around 42 GB. Inside it, reserved storage 6.5 GB. This may vary on different PCs. Windows uses this space to ensure smooth updates, prevent update failures, keep storage usage stable and predictable. When your disk is full, Windows can temporarily use this reserved space to complete important process. Now this is very important. Yes, you can disable reserved storage, but it comes with risks. Windows update may fail, driver installation can break, and system performance can become unstable. If your drive is already close to full, disabling this can cause serious issues. Honestly, if you really need that extra 6 GB badly, it might be a better idea to upgrade your storage instead. If you still want to disable it, open Windows Terminal as administrator. So right click on the Windows chart. Then click on Terminal as admin. Now run this command. Set hyphen Windows reserved storage state space hyphen state space disabled. Then press enter. Now as you can see the message, it disabled successfully. After running this command, restart your PC. After restarting, go back to System and Reserved. Now you will notice the reserved storage is gone. And yes, you will get that space back. But again, this is not recommended. If it was disabled by a script or tool and you want it back, then open Windows Terminal as administrator. Now run this command. Set hyphen Windows reserved storage state space hyphen state space enabled and then press enter. Now reserved storage will be restored. This is the safer option because Windows can now properly manage updates, drivers and system files. Instead of disabling reserve storage, there are much safer ways to free up space. You can start by disabling hibernation, which can give you back a few gigabytes. You can also adjust or turn off system restore if you don't need it. Try deleting or moving large files like videos, ISOs, or games and uninstall games you no longer play. Also, clear your browser cache and remove old Windows Update files. And don't forget to clean your downloads folder. Uninstall unused apps and empty your recycle bin. You can also use storage sense or cleanup tools to remove temporary files. These methods can free up much more space without risking your system. If you want to free up more space on your PC, I have already made a few detailed videos on my channel. Go check them out. They will really help you step by step. Reserved storage might look like wasted space, but it actually plays a very important role in keeping your system stable and update ready. If you have enough storage, it's best to leave it enabled. So that's it for today. If this tutorial helped you, then please don't forget to like and share the video. And if you are new here, then make sure to subscribe my channel. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.